Hey, car enthusiasts! Volkswagen is working on an all-new electric hatchback that's even smaller and more affordable than the ID.3. This tiny EV could be a game changer, and we've got the latest scoop. Ready to find out more? Let's dive in. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. We've got all the latest updates on electric vehicles and more. Volkswagen is in the early stages of developing a new, smaller electric hatchback, which will slot below the ID.3. Recently, a test mule, basically a prototype using an existing car's body, was spotted, and it's raising eyebrows. This test mule is using the body of an ID.3, but there are some key differences. For starters, it's got a shorter wheelbase and rear doors, indicating it's for a smaller vehicle. Also, the charging port is positioned on the front fender, unlike the ID.3, which has it at the rear. This new hatchback is expected to be built on a more affordable version of Volkswagen's MEB platform, which is used for many of VW's electric vehicles. The cheaper version, called MEB Entry, is smaller and has a single motor at the front. Volkswagen first hinted at this platform with the 2023 ID.2 All concept, a subcompact hatchback with 222 horsepower and a range of about 280 miles on the WLTP cycle. The production version of the ID.2 All is slated to hit the market in 2025, with a price tag of under €25,000, or roughly $27,400. A crossover version is expected to follow in 2026. However, these new models might be too small for the US market, so don't expect them to be available stateside. But Volkswagen isn't stopping there. They're also working on an even cheaper electric vehicle, rumored to be the ID.1, with a starting price under €20,000, or about $21,250. This could replace the current e-up, and is expected to launch in 2027. Volkswagen is making big moves to bring more affordable EVs to the market, and the ID.2 All and the rumored ID.1 are just the beginning. These vehicles could be a big hit in Europe and other markets looking for budget-friendly electric options. That's all for today's update on Volkswagen's latest EV developments. If you're excited about the future of electric vehicles, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.